चलो क्यों ना कुछ अच्छा और यूनिक करते हैं पॉडकास्ट एक्सक्लूसिवली ऑन दिस चैनल।
If you want to learn from one person, then you must listen to today's episode because true brand builders are always building brand with us. Well, before starting with this, I insist you to watch out our earlier videos. The link is above mentioned in the I button and also in the description box because this episode is linked with earlier one. If you really want to clear the concept well in deep, you must visit and tell us.
शिवानी आपको देगी जूसी अपडेट्स जिससे आपका मोटिवेशन, सक्सेस और ब्रांडिंग बढ़ सकता है।
If you want to become part of 1%, you will have to do what the other 99% are not doing. Like I always say, it's not a complex as most people make it. It comes down to putting it into the work and making it happen. Make a plan, prioritize your energy spent, put in consistent work and don't give up. The 99% will blame others for their failures. The top 1% will learn from their failures and keep going. The 99% will never take a shot at their dreams. The 1% are willing to bet on themselves. They keep trying until something sticks to their hand and get it completed. To join the 1%, you can't listen to what the opinions of the other 99% are. The hard truth is, they are there for a reason. If you want to start leveling up yourself, you need to take advice from someone who's in a position of where you want to be. Surround yourself with the people on the level you want to be at and leave behind anyone holding you back. To do this, you might have to get out of your current group of friends. If you can't find anyone who's at the higher level, then no worries. Yeah, absolutely no worries. You can start researching on Google, or you can also join all our social media platforms to over this YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. and etc. where you will come across different things over each different platforms where there are hundreds of things and updates giving practice advice. At last, it all comes down to how bad you want it, and if you are going to put it into work, make a decision and do whatever it takes to make it happen. Real branding is figuring out yourself, figuring out your message, figuring out your story, who you are, what have you overcome, and what have you achieved. Have you ever wondered what is that makes you uniquely qualified to do what you do to serve the people you serve? That is your brand. You have to again and again see what you have in you. When I started in this, people listened to me, and one day one women editor whom I met at one of the program told me that you have a great story. And that's the main thing people wait for. Where you actually don't know that your story is worth to learn from, and that's where people tell or recognize you, and your story is what the branding is. Saying same thing over again and again is your brand. So you have to define what figures out best for you. What makes you a unique you, what makes you a you. Once you figure that out, your brand story should be woven inside everything that you do. Hidden potential is the key to success, but which is very difficult to discover, and would like to state, if it is possible for you, you must approach a personal branding coach to know this. How many of you think that it is correct? Do put brand correct. Do put brand correct in the comment below so that I could know that real brand builders are here with us in a long way. Branding is much more than your visual branding. It's all about your message and exactly how you present yourself. So with all this, if you want to lead, it is very important to find that what is the requirement of today so that you start working according to it to brand yourself. If everything and every episode resonates to you, till here what we have bring out in the lockdown series at every episode with us, then do write brand in the comment below. This way we understand that our message has reached right people. If you are not subscribed yet, you are really missing out. This is the place where future brand makers come to bake their brand stories. So make and develop your personal brand with us. Subscribe, share, like, comment and connect at every platform wherever you can. You will get whole of the details in the description right below the video. We also recommend you to watch this videos that says watch next. Thank you for being with us.
Stay tuned for big branding stories.
Every Saturday only on Shivani Personal Branding.